magbuhat ngayon. Ihayo! na parang natutunan sa... Hindi ko na alam. Oh my God. Energy, adrenaline. Our flight is tomorrow and we are going to Melbourne.
We're going to Melbourne.
Super excited, pero noong oras na 9 p.m. na, hindi pa kami tapos mag-pack. Ay, 9:30. Nagsa-start pa lang kami mag-pack. Kasi tomorrow, meron pa akong work, meron pa siyang work. After work, diretso kami sa airport. Are you excited? I'm excited. Are you excited?
Pwede, pero depende.
See you tomorrow!
Falling, you look away while I'm falling. You take your time while I'm crawling. Oh, what a way to waste my time, but never mind, 'cause I'm all.
Oh, ikaw magbuhat nito since warm up mo na. Warm up mo na yun sa High Rocks para. High Rocks. Kaya mo yan, oh. Spritcha mo po sa taas, eh. Parang wall balls. Alright. Bye-bye. See ya in 3 days. Ay, hindi. Sama ako.
My hands feel heavy, like they don't belong on my body. Now I'm thinking, tell me what you're doing to me. 1 second I'm fine, then I'm down on my knees. It's annoying, so annoying. Tell me what's been going on inside of your head. Text been getting heavy, so you leave it on red. Don't worry, it's no hurry. Just tell me what you're doing to me. Yeah, 'cause honestly don't think it's
Ano naman magbuhat ngayon? Hi, Rox! Kugo!
never mind, 'cause I know it doesn't matter, 'cause you never care, but I still get anxious when I see you near. When my hands feel heavy, like they don't belong on my body. Now I'm thinking, tell me what you're doing to me. 1 second I'm fine, then I'm down on my knees. It's annoying.
So this is... ito yung bedroom. Pagpasok mo bedroom agad. Ayan. This is the living room. Ayan. The bathroom. Grabe, mas dark to. Hindi ka parehas nung sa atin. Ayan. It's actually 10:45 na.
You wanna go up?
Yeah, we'll buy Macas dinner. Well, nag-dinner na kami sa airport, pero just in case, kasi medyo nakakapagod bumiyahe. Gusto namin medyo busog. So, magsasnack kami. Snack? Bakit ba? Snack lang. Tapos, tulog. Kasi tomorrow, madami pa akong errands na gagawin for the High Rocks event. Tapos siya, mag-work siya ng konti. Good morning from Melbourne! Taas ng energy. It's our first day, well, it's our first morning here. And aga namin nagising, mga before 8, gising na kami. Gutom na! Siya, ito, ako nakapag-ayos na. Syempre, dami ko ding activities today kasi dapat may imi-meet ako pero meron siyang sakit. So, mga activities ko lang regarding sa High Rocks, meron kaming registration today para hindi ako pumila tomorrow. I-meet ko yung partner ko sa race. So, taga Melbourne siya. So, hindi kami nakapag-train together. Pero nagtitrain na kami before nung nandito pa ako. So, pag-usapan namin yung strategies, ganyan. Wow, kala mo naman. Ikaw, anong errands mo today?
Send out some emails, answer some RFIs. Yun lang.
Yun lang. Tapos,
2 hours lang.
Yun. Tapos mag-meet na lang kami later sa hapon after ng registration ko sa High Rocks Race para mag-dinner sa favorite namin Thai restaurant. Anyway, samahan niyo muna kami mag-breakfast because we are hungry. Let's go! Fit check! Same. Coffee. Let's go! Grabe na kami sa dati naming apartment. Parang wala nagbago. Coffee club kami. And this was our go-to place na nandito pa kami. So ngayon, dito kami ulit bumalik. Syempre. Meron kaming mga ano na dito, staple na order. Minus omelette with mushrooms on the side. And this one is flat grill. This one is really, 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 really good. Diba? Favorite natin ito eh.
I can't get enough. No, I can't get enough. I'm falling.
We are back. Ito nga, yung namili lang kami. Well, nag-breakfast kami kanina. Tapos namili kami konti sa Coles tsaka sa Woolies. Hindi kami masyadong binili kasi wala naman tayo magluto. Kakain lang kami sa labas. Puro water. Ito, for hydration. Ito, inumin ko na to ngayon. Tapos yung isa dadalhin ko tomorrow. Though, madaming Gatorade station daw dun sa ano. Gatorade station or Red Bull station, I think. Basta maraming water station, drinking station, ganyan. Ito, chips niya, snacks. Bananas. For today and for tomorrow then, I need to fuel up and bagel and strawberry jam. Kasi kailangan ko di naman ako magka-carb load, pero tataasan ko lang yung carb content ko para lang I'm ready for tomorrow. I have enough glycogen in my body. Wow! Glycogen! Charot! Yun! Tapos extra sunscreen kasi naubos na yung sunscreen ko. And ayun lang. Mamayang hapon, I'll go to Melbourne Convention Center para mag-register. Papakita ko sa inyo kung anong mangyayari. Lunchtime! Siyempre, na-miss namin ito. Yun, ito yung mga sushi na binibili namin sa may train station. Ay, wala. Meron siyang ganun, baby. Mababa. Oo, huwag yan. Tsaka parang dun. Siyempre, takoyaki! Cheers! Gabi. Kakabi? Sarap? Panalo. At din nakakamiss. Sarap. Sana pala dalawa na yung binili ko. Takoyaki.
Mamaya.
Kanya to eh. Ako.
Solid. Solid.
Sa akin, salmon roll. Salmon hanamaki. Sa kanya, salmon supreme. Tingnan mo naman yan. Tingnan mo naman yan. Tingnan mo naman yan. Tapos natapon. Salmon.
Salmon dito.
So cute! Grabe!
So ba matutuwa ako pag may nag-give-us sa akin?
Huwag ka na magparinig kasi dito bibigyan.
Ang
Cute! Ano na sa loob?
Gift card.
Oh my God!
Diba?
Ang ganda ng gift niyan. Ang cute, grabe. Sobrang cute.
Galing, marketing team, Adidas.
Your hair looks longer than last June. There's so much I've been down to know about you.
One hidden gem, so she's extra eyes.
But we've been distant, is it too soon to call pretending it's to ask you what's new? And I hope we haven't lost our way, cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad, I know that it's easier said than done when it feels like it's hopeless. I'm begging you, please hold on. Maybe
Melbourne Convention Center.
Separated me, but I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad. I know that it's easier said than done. It feels like it's hopeless.
Susulat na pala nila yung number ngayon for tomorrow. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ako maliligo.
Dito?
Dito.
Dito?
So, ibig sabihin, hindi ako maliligo tonight.
Ay, sanay ka naman.
Kamal ang mukha.
Are you ready? Wrestling fans, are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Ano masasabi mo?
Pagoda.
May 1 hour na ba? Wala pa, no? Mga 30 minutes. 30 minutes na tayong nakatayo. Sakit sa
Hindi,
paa. Ay,
dumating
hindi.
tayo. More than 1 hour na.
Oh, mga 1 hour na pala kami nakatayo for the registration.
Dumating tayo mga exam, mga ganyan. Kahit ko.
Grabe.
Don't look at me like that. It's taking all that I had to hold myself back from you. Am I just too attached? Because it kills me inside to watch it all burn in my hands. And I'll never find better. How could I ever go?
We're done! Finally, I got my wristbands and I got my... What else? Ano ba yung nakuha ko?
Walang merch? Wala man lang merch?
Wala. And I got this. Ito yung timing chip, timer, or whatever. I also have my number here. So, this is gonna be my start time. Kaya sinulat nila. Yun, we lined up for an hour. Pero mabilis naman siya. Dami na talagang tao. Are you excited for tomorrow?
I'm tired actually.
Actually, I'm tired din. I'm super sleepy. So, kailangan namin matulog ng maaga today para may full energy tomorrow. Thank you! Wow! Butter chicken, biryani, wow! And garlic naan. It's our final dinner before the big day tomorrow. So, dig in. Garlic naan. Sausaw mo sa butter chicken. Winner! Chicken biryani with raita. It's go time, baby!
Sana makawan. Sub 1 ako.
Hindi ka naman kasama.
Sub 1 burger.
Hindi ka naman buisit. 8:30 na. Papunta na kami sa event area. I'm so excited. Balitaan ko kayo guys kung anong mangyayari. Samahan nyo ako today. Well, samahan nyo kami. Ito partner ko. Taga-video, taga-photographer, videographer. Ano pa? PA. Ano pa?
Husband, pwede?
Pwede.
Ba husband?
Pwede naman din. Sige. Papasa. Ang saya, grabe.
Emotionally violent. So tell me, what the hell am I doing? I don't know. Wanted too much, we lose it so fast. What you try to control never seems to last. It feels criminal. It feels hypocritical. When I made up my mind.
Kinakabahan na ako. 1 hour and 30 minutes na lang bago yung race. Hindi ko maintindihan na feel ko. Save ng dibdib ko. Nawiwiwi ako. Parang nandiyan. Hindi ko na alam. Oh my God. Mixed emotions na. Good luck talaga. Check ko na yung layout, so we'll see. I'm taking all the help I can get. Help from the carbs, help from the...
Hypocritical. When I made up my mind, I lose it like that. I thought I knew what I thought.
30 minutes before we start, nag-warm up na kami, tumakbo na kami. And yeah, in 30 minutes, we'll start na. See you in the bit! Ang saya, grabe, pero pagod na pagod na pagod. I have my badge here. I'm so proud that I finished it. It was really fun. Thank you to my husband. My very supportive niyan. Videographer, photographer, lahat-lahat na. Sobrang saya. Sobrang nakakapagod. Pero grabe yung hype, yung vibe, yung energy, yung adrenaline ko. Nung ginawa nga yung farmer's carry, hindi malakas yung grip ko. So, ang strategy namin ng partner ko, since mas malakas yung grip niya, siya yung magdadala sa amin sa farmer's carry. But for some reason, adrenaline took over and tinakbo ko yung farmer's carry. Sobrang funny kasi after namin nun, sabi ng partner ko sa akin, "Girl, ang bilis mo sa farmer's carry!" Kasi hindi ko rin in-expect. But anyway, sobrang saya. Ang dami namin photos, ang dami namin videos. Kakain muna kami kasi hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Check it! Our favorite Tom Yum soup! Hungry? Baby? Are you hungry? Very. Talaga? Ako. Time to say goodbye to Melbourne. Ako yung unang uuwi. Si husband bukas pa kasi originally yung work niya diba dito sa Melbourne. So sabi nung boss niya na kung pwede daw siya mag-work for 2 days. So yun, uwi na ako today, which is Monday. Uwi siya tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Iritual ako kasi kakagising ko lang. 15 minutes at ayos lang ako. So ayan, baba na. Anyway, tawag na tayo ng Uber.
We could be going out every night under the lights and trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces. But I'm tired of staying up late, making overstate the beauty of settling down with the one you love.
Yeah, ready.
Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand 'cause I